In this video, we are doing example number 2 in the lesson 6.3, solving systems of equations by graphing. Remember, our objective is we're going to be able to solve a system of equations by graphing the two equations and then finding the point of intersection. The solution, the key concept, is the point of intersection when you graph the lines. As always, you should be thinking of our essential question: how can a graph, right, when you graph the equations, help you find the solution to the system? Okay? And we've been talking about that a lot. Let's look at example number 2 here. Graph each equation and then determine the solution to the system of linear equations. So we have our two equations, y equals 3/4 x plus 1, and then y equals 2x minus 4. So let's separate the equations. Y equals 3/4 x plus 1, and then that's our first equation we have to graph. And then our second equation we have to graph is y equals 2x minus 4. Okay, we're going to graph both equations. So the first thing we need to do when we graph an equation is plot the y-intercept. In this case, the number not with the x is 1. Okay, so let's go on our y-axis to the number 1 and plot that. All right, and then the second thing is we need to get the slope. I want you to be thinking in your head, well, what is the slope of this equation? All right, if you said 3/4, you are correct. Oh, look, it's already in a rise over a run. That makes it easier for us, because now we're going to use that rise and the run to plot more points on our line. All right, so starting from the y-intercept, we are going to rise 3, we're going to go up 3, and then run 4, to the right 4. So go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot a point. Again, go up 3, the rise is 3. 1, 2, 3, the run is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot a point. All right, let's do some points on the left side of the y-axis, just in case our other line intersects it over there. So we're going to go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do one more. Go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and to the left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we just plotted our points for our equation. All right, let's line up. All right. You want to line up your ruler, your straight edge. Okay, and we're looking for the solution. So now let's graph the second equation. Y equals 2x minus 4. The first thing we need to do is get the y-intercept, because we're going to plot that first. Thinking about what the y-intercept is, what do you think it is? You should be thinking in your head. All right, if you said -4, you are correct. Remember, you want to keep the sign in front of the number, so it's -4. The slope is 2, the number with the x. Right, we want to put that over a 1 because we need a rise over a run. Okay, so now we have the y-intercept and the slope for our second equation. So let's graph it so we can find the point of intersection. Let's plot the y-intercept first, which is -4. So we're going to go down to -4 on the y-axis. Okay, and then we're going to use the slope, the rise over the run, to plot our next couple of points. So we rise 2 and run 1. Go up 2, over 1. Up 2 over 1. Notice we haven't intersected the other line yet, but it looks like it's going to intersect at some point. So let's keep rising and running to see where it's going to intersect the other line. So our slope, we're rising 2 and running 1. So we go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Oh wait, look. That's a point on both lines. So that's going to be our point of intersection. It hits both lines. Oh, let's do a couple more. We're going to go up 1, 2 and over 1, up 1, 2 and over 1. Okay, maybe we'll plot a couple more on the y, on the left side of the y-axis. So we're going to go down 2 into the left 1, down 2 into the left 1. Okay, good. So we found our point of intersection. All right, so you're going to line up your graph. Line up your straight edge on your graph. Draw a line through your points. Should be a straight line. That's how you know that you have the correct line. And here's our point of intersection. The solution is, let's see, the solution is going to be the ordered pair. It's the x value is 4 and the y value is 4. So the ordered pair for the solution is 4, 4. Okay, remember there's only going to be one point of intersection, one solution, because in our original equations here, the slopes are different. So again, if the slopes are different, at some point the lines are going to cross. Okay, now I want you to try the got it number 2 before watching the video.